like loodie. That is what you're doing with your booty. I mean, your wine pretty girl and it groovy. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You're just a true double six like loodie. So today's review video is gonna be on Shenseea featuring vybz, KARTEL, Loodie. The people them asked for the review, so we all give them the review, okay? Last night with the Facebook live video, and everybody asked us to review it. This, me and SoFlo TV, so that's what we're about to do now. Keep on watching, yeah, girl. So the Shenseea start out the intro by saying Shenseea Sonique. Essentially, me can't pronounce your name, so forgive me if I fuck it up. Shenseea, whether me in a skirt, pussy fat up in a short shorts, head raised when me walk past, me feel the eyes, believe the eye, me love the lights, me do it for spite. And then KARTEL go into the chorus and say, you're just a true double six like Loodie. That is what you're doing with your booty. And when you whine, pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. You just true double six like Loodie. That is what you're doing with your booty. And when you whine, pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take you to a movie. And then she said, body jaw just a bounce like a bounce check. Me do the verb with the noun with the subject. Anything me want, me have to get. You can't object. You fall in love faster than love jet. Me pussy tight, feel liquor browning, and no straight oxtail with the liquor broad bean. We're small, well inner. We're small, well thinner than a sardine. Make man get attentive when me walk in. And then KARTEL come in with the chorus and say, you just a true double six like Loodie. Loving. You just a true double six like Loodie. That is what you're doing with your booty. And when you whine, pretty girl, it groove me. Girl, I wanna take it to a movie. When me walk, me bust out my jeans. When me walk, me bust out my jeans thread. To hope me pum pum fluffy like sheet spread. Me get everything where the sheep said. Decent walk with me a step in the sheets. As me whine, me grab people attention. Body jaw just a clap like convention. When me pass man hand long extension. But me love money more senior to pension. And then KARTEL go into the chorus and he sing the chorus 2 times. And let's talk about the video. The video was a really good video. You can see illustration of KARTEL in the video, and the girl gonna shake up them body, and because this is a more girl song, and the video was actually really nice, and we are living in reminiscence of vybz, KARTEL. Like the man, they are jail for 5 long years now, and he's out working all these artists that are out here that say they're artists or entertainer. He's out working them. This man have put out countless videos, countless songs, and all the songs are good songs. As far as I can't pronounce her name. God, as far as Shenseea is concerned, she's a pretty girl, but I feel like she needs to find something that makes her unique in dancehall, because Shenseea kind of remind me of Aishana in a way. Like her face, her hair, how she dress, she remind me of Aishana. So in this music business, I feel like she gotta do something that's outside the box and do something that will make her stick out from other female entertainers. Also, her flow is nice, her lyrics are nice actually, and you can see in the video that she's a very confident girl, and I can appreciate that. She's pretty also, and shenseea remind me of J Capri. Her flow more than anything else, and her lyrics remind me of J Capri when J Capri said, "Pull up to me bumper, pull up to me bumper, come in the long black magazine." shenseea kind of remind me of J Capri and how J Capri DJ and sing and all these things. So I feel like she just needs to be consistent with her music. And I also listen to her Ooh remix, and you can tell that she's about the entertainment industry. She's about her hustle. She's about this. She just needs to stay consistent, stay focused on music, and put out good, decent music for people to listen to, and build her audience, and also build her brand. Build her brand so she can be a unique person in dancehall, because we need more female artists in the dancehall scene. Like, ever since KARTEL dismantled the Gaza team and started over on God Jail and all these things, there hasn't been a lot of female dancehall artists. vybz KARTEL bring the most female dancehall artists into the dancehall genre. Him push the female artists in dancehall. So big up to vybz KARTEL. Even though he's in jail, he's still trying to bring somebody up, put somebody else in the spotlight, give somebody else a shine, and collabing with a female artist is always up his alley. He do it with Spice. He has done it with Lisa Hype. He has done it with Vanessa Bling. So collabing with female artists is what vybz KARTEL do. And I wish that vybz KARTEL sang a verse or something on this track. That was the only part that was missing from the track for me. But the video up, I like how they have the animation of him in the video clean, good quality, and everybody enjoy themselves. And this is gonna be a nice song. This is gonna be a nice dancing song for the woman them. And that's what we need now. We need some woman things in a dancehall. We need some woman song in a dancehall. Don't we do heap of war and heap of this song and all, bad man this and bad man that. We need some woman song. We need the woman them need some love up and all these things. So shenseea, you did a good job, girl. Keep doing what you're doing, and up movements. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, and I'll see you in